Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download Hamster Kombat game on your Android or iOS phone. First of all, I will tell you that this game doesn't have an app, so to play Hamster Kombat game, you need to have installed Telegram on your phone. So to download Telegram, you need to open your Play Store or App Store. In the search, you need to type Telegram. And you need to download the Telegram app. I already have it on my mobile phone. So open the Telegram. Now you need to go to the search and type Hamster Kombat in the search bar and open the first result. Then you need to click the start button and then click play button right here, and it will automatically open the game. So once game is opened, you can start playing the Hamster Kombat game. So after you will do the steps, then you can play Hamster Kombat game very simply. You just need to open the Telegram app and Hamster Kombat will be your chat list. So here is Hamster Kombat game. You need to click it and click the play button. That's all. You can play Hamster Kombat game very easily. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.